Have you ever heard a Muslim say Assalamu-Alaikum? You might wonder, what does that mean? Well, let me break it down for you in just 2 minutes. Assalamu-Alaikum is an Arabic phrase that means peace be upon you. It's the Islamic greeting used by over 1 billion Muslims around the world, and it's more than just a hello. When someone says Assalamu-Alaikum to you, you're supposed to reply with Wa alaikum assalam, which means, and peace be upon you too. Simple, right? This greeting isn't just about words. It's a way of spreading peace, love, and goodwill. It's deeply rooted in the teachings of Islam. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, even said, "Spread peace among yourselves." And here's the beautiful part. You don't have to be Muslim to say it. If you ever meet a Muslim, try greeting them with Assalamu-Alaikum. Trust me, they'll appreciate it. So now you know how to greet a Muslim the right way. Spread the peace, one salam at a time. Wa alaikum assalam.